Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today we are going to solve another question using heap. So here the question says that you have to find the k largest numbers. We need to find top 3 elements, means top 3 greater elements that are present in this array. So for one method is going to be, we can sort this one out in decreasing order. So it's going to be like this 12, 11, 5, 3, 2 and 1. Now we'll choose starting k elements 1, 2 and 3. So it's going to be like 12, 11 and 5. So this is also one way to solve this question, sorting it out in a decreasing order. Time complexity is going to be O of n log n. Here the n is number of elements present in an array. But we have another method, heap. So in this one we are going to use min heap, and what are the characteristics of min heap is that the smallest element is going to be at the top. Let's assume this is a container, or you can say this is a min heap. So as we know that the size of the array is going to be k, so it means we are only going to put top 3 elements in this one. We don't need any other numbers. So suppose I put 3 inside this. Now the size of this heap is smaller than the k. It's okay, we can put another one. So now the size is, now I'll put 1 in this one, still the size is 2. Now I'll put 5, still the size is 3, and this is same. Now if I put another element into this one, what will happen? The size is now greater than k, and we only need top 3 elements. So what it will do, it will remove the smallest element. So it means it's going to remove this number by using element that is going to be present at the top, which is minimum. It means you are going to remove the minimum element from the heap. So here 1 is a minimum element that we are going to remove. After we'll push 2. Here again the size of this heap is greater than 3. Now I'll remove this element too, because it's the smallest element in this heap, by same method. Now I'll put 11 inside this one. Now the size is 4, which is greater than then I'll remove the smallest number. Now this is going to be 3. Now the remaining heap elements are 5, 12 and 11. So if we'll print out, it's going to be like the smallest element is going to be the first one that we are going to print. So it's going to be 5, then 11, then 12. So these are the elements that we needed. Same here, you can see this. We are initializing priority queue here, and we are pushing up to k elements in the heap, and after that we are checking if the number that we are pushing is greater than the top element. Then we are removing the top element, which is going to be the minimum value of the heap, and we are pushing this number inside that heap here. And at the end, until the heap is not empty, we are printing out the number and we are popping out the values. That's all guys. Thank you so much.